thank you for watching my short video of my 1980 Hayter Hayterette with a 1979 Briggs and Stratton 5 horsepower industrial commercial engine. I bought it off eBay for about £10.60. It had one owner from new, in the same family. Yeah, it was slightly seized up when I got it. I found that there was no oil in the engine at all. I dumped, well, I didn't dump, I put 2050 oil in it just to get it going, because it's quite an old engine, and it seems to run very well. I've had to swap the carb over for another one off a cool bore engine, a 1981 model that had magnetron ignition, because the fuel, the carburettor was leaking from around the fuel pump. I don't know if I can just quickly show you where I mean. Yeah, this one is a points ignition system. It isn't magnetronic, it's not electronic. It starts on the second pull. First pull you choke it, second pull you quickly release the choke and then it starts. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm sorry if this is a bit amateur. I've not done many videos yet, but please comment and ask questions. Thank you.